live your motherfucking life. You gotta get your motherfucking hustle. Understand niggas is gonna hate you regardless. Get that out of your head, that fantasy world where niggas ain't hating on you. You gotta be grateful, you need haters. What the fuck is you complaining about? What the fuck do you think a hater's job is? To fucking hate, so let them motherfuckers do their goddamn job.
Alright guys, I'm reading a lot of hate on the 8 speeds about 321 gears against 392 gears. Everyone's saying get 392 gears, they're the best gear, they're so much better than 321s. 321s are slow off the line, you can't tow as much with them, and this and that. Don't believe any of that shit. I'm here to prove them wrong, and as you can see, my 60 foot, even before the torque converter, even before the cam, was just as good as any 392 geared truck out there with an 8-speed 4-door. And if you have 4-door 4-wheel drive, I don't think any of them have touched my 60 foot. Now, one of the other reasons that I think 321s are better than 392s, in my opinion, is because at the end of the track, 392s, you're shifting in the 6th gear. This is coming from a lot of different guys. And if you're not cammed or have any, you're not shifting up where I am around 68, 6th gear, you're kind of falling on its face at 100 miles an hour. I'm not sure exactly where that shifts at because I have 321s. Now, when I put the smaller tire, the wheels and tires on the drag radials, the 17s, it shifts faster. So it's not even, it's actually not even equivalent to 392s. It's more equivalent, I think, to 380s. So, and also, my 60 foot is a 1.85 before the cam and the converter. And that's it was in great weather, don't get that wrong, but 1.85, I have not seen a 4-door truck without a converter do anything better than I think a 1.82. And this is all naturally aspirated. I'm not talking about boost or any of that stuff because that's a whole different ball game. Now my best 60 foot on the stock wheels and tires, this is stock weight also, is a 192, I think, in great weather. So yeah, you can't listen to all the hate out there about 321s. They're great gearing. They tow good. They tow great wood. I've towed wood. I've towed 6,000 pounds, no problem whatsoever. Now, are 392s better for towing? Yes, they are. But for racing, when you put drag radials on and going to a smaller wheel and tire, there is very, very minute of a difference. And when you get a torque converter, it's not gonna do anything. In my opinion, so far 321s have been perfect for me. And I outlaunch everybody. I've outlaunched Corvettes, you've seen my videos. I even outlaunched Hellcats. I've outlaunched a lot of guys off the line. I'm not saying I beat them all, but getting off the line is one of my best features, and I have 321 gears, 4-door and 4-wheel drive truck. Very heavy truck. So, yes, if you have 321s and you're looking to switch, it's up to you. But I'm going to tell you not to. Throw some drag radials on that thing. You'll see what it can do. You're going to hang with any 392 geared truck as long as you have the same setup. Yeah, so 321s versus 392s. If you have 321s, you're looking to switch, the better option would probably be 355s. Because you actually stay in 5th gear through the traps. You don't switch in the 6th. And that's probably your best option. Now, if you're 4-doors, if you're just 4-wheel drive like me, then you might, there's no point in switching gears. And you could see, if you've never seen my channel, check out all my videos, please. You'll know why to stay with 321s. I'm the fastest naturally aspirated 4-door, 4-wheel drive Ram in the country. And I'm looking to get even faster. There's no one even close to me for that record. So, just check out my videos. You'll know why staying with 321s is the best option. 392s, unless you're towing a lot or, living in a crazy hilly area, I guess, or not modded, then 392s, sure, why not? But other than that, stick with your 321s. Watch my videos. You'll know why they're the better option, in my opinion. And you get better gas mileage. Have a good one. Also, guys, just want to let you know, August 25th, Gateway Classic Cars. I will be there. Stang Mode will be there. RT Life will be there. Mod to Fame will be there. Tunnel Chaser will be there. Orange GT will be there. And I think a couple more YouTubers will be there. Come on out, 9 to 5. Gateway Classic Cars, West Effort. It's going to be a great time. Should have some food. Meet all the subscribers. Hey, you want to come and meet me and check out my truck and check out everyone else's vehicle? come on over. You know, I will be there 9 a.m. probably till 5. I'll be there till close. Should be a great time. And yeah, come meet everyone. Have a good one.